Hey friends, are you looking for a job in bioinformatics? So you need to acquire some skills to get a job in bioinformatics and data analysis. So here what I found that there is a company named Kaivor Genomics Private Limited in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Just my motive is to let you or make you aware about what skills they require to hire as a bioinformatician. So a person should know or should be able to cover a large array of tasks including QC, analysis and interpretation of whole genome data, panel data, RNA-seq data, defining pipelines for the process and validating them to the ACMG standards. The responsibilities and duties would be, these are the duties. I would jump to the skills which are required. So see, there a person should be experienced in next generation sequencing data analysis, example whole genome sequencing and RNA sequencing. So you need to learn or you have to do a course or you get an experience in WGS and RNA-seq. And the person should be familiar with NGS technologies and platforms. The person should be very proficient in R programming language and for other scripting languages like Python, Perl, etc. And Linux proficiency should be there with version control system, experience with bioconductor packages for genomic bioinformatics, excellent communication skills. The person should be PhD or masters in bioinformatics or genomics or computational biology. Even if you do not have, but if you have the skill you can still apply, but these skills you need to have to apply for these kind of job. And the salary is starting salary is very less. It's just 2 lakh to 6 lakh per year, which can be increased as per your experience. See the next company, which is Genome Analyst. It is in Bengaluru again. The post is Genome Analyst and the company name is Med Genome Labs. So here again you should know QC data of NGS, and like you can see, NGS is the main thing which you should know to apply as a bioinformatician. And you have to interact with bioinformatics and laboratory team in the analysis and interpretation of the genetic data generated. You have to contact the labs, you have to explain them the result, and you have to participate in the projects which are being taken by the company. And this so main thing is you should know NGS technology, and this is an added advantage. If you have some publications related to bioinformatics, then it is a plus point. So what is the eligibility criteria? Any PhD or MSc with a minimum of 1 to 4 years experience can apply for this post. The person must have good communication, interpersonal skills and a proven analytical background, and the person should know advanced Excel skills. Okay, sometimes the persons are also told or asked to handle the sales also, so the person should have good business acumen. Now a third company, which is the post is bioinformatic data scientist or variant analysis. The company name is Innoplexus. So why am I showing you different companies? Because I want to find out the common skills which you, the most important skill which you must have to get yourself recruited to the bioinformatic company. Okay, so see here again a common thing, that you should have hands-on experience on applied statistics, that is Excel first of all, and you should know R, Python, Veka, Spark, and it was Perl also in the last one. You should have the knowledge of proteins, drugs, clinical trials, so that you can also apply in the companies which work on drug resistance and proteins. And literature databases knowledge should be there. The person is either PhD in biotechnology or bioinformatics, or the person can be either BTech or MSc or M Pharma or PhD in biotech bioinformatics, chemi-informatics, pharmacoinformatics, pharmacy. And to excel in this job, you must bring 3 to 5 years with MSc or 2 to 4 years with PhD industrial experience. So start gaining industrial experience if you want to get the job very easily. And research publications in good journals is a plus plus. Okay, and rest all is all similar. Let's go to the next one. The next one is bioinformatics with Python programming. The company name is Stratonic. So what they want is, what is the qualification they require? They require BS in computer science, bioinformatics or related field with 2 years hands-on experience working with bioinformatics tools. So if you're working in a research lab related to bioinformatics in your PhD, during your PhD or during a master's itself, you get the experience, hands-on experience on bioinformatic tools, so you can apply. But including that, you should have 2 years of coding and scripting in modern programming languages, that is C, C++, Java, Python, R. You should know all these coding languages. Okay, or if you have strong background in imaging workflows for digital pathology and transcriptomics, you must have experience with gene and protein pathway and network analysis and bioinformatics toolkits from the academic open source community. So also experience working with Docker if you are working with protein. And other things which are required is NGS, which is again already told multiple times. And you should explore genomic data from clinical and research samples. And you should have 3 years of industry or academy experience if you have worked as a project associate or a junior research fellow in any lab, or even in your masters, if you in your bachelor's, if you have any experience related to biology, bioinformatics specifically, then you have the chances of getting recruited. You must have knowledge of cancer genomics, tumor biology and molecular biology. So these will help you to get the job. And the last company which we will discuss today, what they require, let's see. So the position is bioinformatics analyst. The company is Perkin Elmer. What they require, you should have master degree in bioinformatics or biostatistics or computer science or equivalent in life science discipline. You should have strong programming skills and including Perl, Python, SQL and shell scripting. You should know NGS data analysis, and you should have good communication skills. You should be experienced in working in clinical laboratory environment is preferred. So in conclusion, from all these, what we got to know is that you should be very familiar or should be experienced in handling NGS data, whole genome sequencing, transcriptomics. You should know coding like R, Python, SQL, MATLAB, C++, C, Java, Perl. All these you should know. Okay, and also good communication skills is a must. And you should handle large amount of data. You should have the experience in statistical models. You should know how to use the Excel. If you know advanced Excel, it's a plus point. You should present your data very well, and you should also be a good businessman, because sometimes you have to handle the project from the laboratory or another projects, outsourcing projects, which you have to handle it. So you must have good business skills as well, which will help the company to get more clients. Okay, so you should know what kind of results you can expect, and what kind of results, like result interpretation from the data, from the samples which you will follow. So you should know about both wet lab and dry lab. Okay, sometimes the samples will be given to the company and you have to find out the data from it. And say for example RNA samples are given and you have to find out, the RNA sequence data from it. Okay, and you have to give it to the client. So these are these are the skills which you should know to get the job as a bioinformatic analyst or bioinformatic scientist. So please start learning these skills to upgrade yourself and to get the job. So you may do the internship for free in any company which is working on these tools, or you may get a certification course from anywhere or diploma course from wherever you must do it from the authentic source. And you should start applying these tools and keep on reading the papers and start applying those onto the data. Okay, this will help you to gain the experience and to get the job easily in bioinformatics. So that's it. Thank you.